I literally just woke up a few minutes ago, and guess what I'm doing right now? Working on my next YouTube video. I need to transfer it from my camera to my laptop so I can edit and all that fun stuff. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Thisistinuola right here. If you're new to the channel, I usually don't look this crazy, but I just woke up and yeah, this is a vlog. Finally, it's been a while. All right, everyone, we thank God for this new day, and we're just gonna get ready. I have some couple of things to do today. Yeah, I'm a mess right now. Pardon me. Guys, it's quite foggy outside today. I guess there'll be rain. This is what the weather looks like outside. Yay! That doesn't look fun, no? No, it doesn't. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since we did a vlog. I feel like I don't even know how to do a vlog anymore, like what intro and all that stuff. But anyway, just bear with me here. I do have some work to do today, so it's going to be a busy day. You know, cooking, cleaning, and I have some YouTube videos. I have one YouTube video to make, and I have 2 YouTube videos to edit. I'll obviously not finish it today, but I also plan to go out later on in the day if the weather is good, if it's sunny outside. I don't know, right now it looks like it's gonna rain all day long, but we'll see. It's my off day, so no work. I have enough time to do everything I need to do. Yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're just gonna leave that in the oven for about 5 to 8 minutes. My recipes don't have any name, it's just matchup. So if I feel like eating pizza and the ingredients I have at home, they are not enough, I just match up everything I have. So yeah, I'm also gonna make a drink right now. It reminds me of bubble tea. So it's one of my favorite drinks to make right now at home. It's like a combination of milk and strawberry. It has no name, but yeah, it is really good. Alright guys, food is ready. Doesn't this look so sumptuous? Like, who doesn't want to eat this right now? Who doesn't? And look at that! We did it guys. So I know Fit Farm, don't come for me because this is not my everyday food. This is just, you know, when I'm feeling lazy, feeling creative. Relax, chill. That is so good, to be honest guys. Okay, so this doesn't taste as sweet as I usually make it. Once again, I know Fit Farm, you guys are coming for me, so that's why I try to reduce the sugar level. Usually I use my coconut sugar to make it, or honey, but I add a lot. Alright guys, so my day starts now. Once again, we thank God for today. Hey! I have a PR video to do today, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna look good very soon, don't worry, okay? I know this looks so out of place. But yeah, I'm really excited to do this PR video. Guys, I love doing PR videos, so reach out to me. Sponsorship, partnership, collaborations. Your girl is here, okay? Feel free. You know, let's hook up. The weather's getting better now. We might still be able to go out today. But yeah, I just wanted to do this vlog to show you guys, you know, what a typical day looks like in my life. Aside eating so much cheese. Maybe I'll do another video on a day where I'm going to work. Yeah. But for now, you know, a typical day when it's getting towards summer period and everyone is coming out. We are almost out of lockdown, I think we'll be out of lockdown in a few days from now. Do some laundry and dishes, and I'll start. I have a Zoom meeting today, and then I'll start my YouTube video. So see you guys. So I am so ready to do my video. I did my makeup and all that. So this is my video setup. Let me just show you guys. This is my video setup, just the ring light and my camera and natural light from outside. I need to do the video right now before it gets dark. Today's sun is not that bright, so I just need to manage what I have right now. And of course a chair. Let's quickly talk about loneliness in Canada. You see, feeling lonely while living in Canada for immigrants is a real thing. The vibe here, the way of life is different, and with the COVID restrictions and, you know, the lockdown generally, it's even been worse. We're almost out of the third lockdown in Ontario. Yeah, I'm excited, and I do understand that lockdown is a precaution to keep, you know, everyone safe and alive. And I'm certainly grateful that I'm alive and you are alive, you're watching this. However, I can't deny how much I'm yearning for social interactions than ever. See, I'm more of an introvert, but I'm really looking forward to going out once the lockdown is over. You know, just experiencing some sort of normalcy, and that's even if that still exists. Anyway, some of the ways I've been able to, you know, just deal with loneliness in Canada are, you know, checking up on family, friends through phone calls, video calls. YouTube is another way. YouTube has been a great escape for me. The entire creative world, I've been able to tap into that, and I'm really enjoying it. Also exploring other hobbies that I have, like watching Netflix. I could literally watch Netflix all day long. I just finished Lupin season 2. If you guys haven't seen that movie, it's mad. Totally recommend it. Alright, and I also love to, you know, paint sometimes, digital paintings, and listen to music, you know, and just chatting with my boyfriend. I disturb him all the time. Also, having a 9-to-5 or any business you love helps, because, you know, you don't want to stay at home feeling lonely. It's good to go out there and do some work and secure the bag. However, I wouldn't recommend, you know, working yourself out and staying at work all the time, because I know some people use work as a coping mechanism for loneliness. But for me, I feel like quality of life matters, and for me to find a balance, I don't like to overwork myself. I also like to chill. Also, I look forward to, you know, traveling to other provinces for vacation to experience the life there. And you definitely want to go with at least 1 or 2 people, you know, the more the merrier. Hanging out in restaurants is also like medicine to me. I love to experience food outside. It's an experience for me, not just to quench hunger. Alright guys, I'm going to empty all this garbage. Work. I genuinely love trying out foods from these restaurants. Other ways are to participate in, you know, the Nigerian community here. Whichever community you identify with as an immigrant, even if it's church, whichever social gathering, or you can, you know, join. It also helps to reduce the loneliness and talk to people about it. I mean, I talk a lot. Another thing that I totally recommend is road trips. Yo, if you have never ever been on any road trip in Canada, I totally recommend that. It's such a big country. Go for road trips, you would love it, especially during summer or autumn. The weather is beautiful, the trees, everything looks beautiful out there. So drive around, even if you can't drive far away, drive around your city. For me, it's refreshing. I find that refreshing. And guys, I genuinely want to know how you cope with loneliness in Canada. Do you feel lonely as an immigrant living in Canada? What do you do? How do you cope with it? Let me know in the comment box below. Okay? Hey guys, that is done. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Oh, why does my face look so white? Okay. So yeah, I wanted to go out, but the weather, I'm not feeling the weather, honestly. And I finished the video later than I thought it would be. So yeah, it's gonna get dark soon. I really wanted to go out, guys, to just make things more fun. But yeah, maybe next time. Let me know if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy so far. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Check out my other videos. Thank you. Peace out. Finally came outside just for a walk. Anyway. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm just sitting, trying to get some air and just watching people have fun. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. Bye bye. Bye guys. See you in my next one.